Good morning, students. So, in this lecture also, we would continue to discuss Henry Vaughan's poem, The Retreat. As I told you in the beginning, the retreat words is used in the army context. When an army withdraws or defeated, it left the fronts and come back to its barracks. In that sense, the retreat is generally used. But here in this poem, the poet uses the word retreat that when we maybe that it is possible that we should retreat because in the childhood, because the childhood's time is the happiest time of life when the person is in full communion or in good relation with God. But as soon as a child grows up, becomes young, he acquires all the evil practice of the world. Now, the poet also reminds us that nature is also full of divinely qualities. There is a reflection of divinity in nature. For example, he gives example of the setting sun, which looks golden at the time of sunset. Similarly, in this golden background, nature looks more beautiful. So it is now it is only a few people can have time to look at this beautiful aspects of nature when the sun sets or when the sun rises. The sky becomes golden color. It acquires a golden color. There is a red light. You can say the sky becomes the horizon becomes red in color. It's just like not red, is like orange. So these are the moments which provides us a glimpse of eternity. This is the period. This is the time of the day when we can have a look, when we can have a glimpse of nature or the God's eternity. In every religion, special prayers are organized on this occasion. There are special prayers in every religion. But modern man has no time to look at these beauty of nature. As soon as he grows up, he learns and acquires the evil practices of the world. The poet refers amusingly the body and he calls it fleshly dress. It is foolishness. Now, it is foolishness to think that the physical body should last forever. Generally, people think that they maintain very, you can say that dedicatedly to maintain the body, thinking that they would live forever in this world. But this poet amusingly, making fun of it, says that the fleshly dress, it is just a flash which after some times shrinks and become of no use. The poet wishes to return back to the blessed life which he enjoyed before birth. He compares the situation of a passenger. Look at the example look at the example of a passenger. He compares the situation of a passenger whose train has left him behind. When we go to the station to catch a train, and sometimes when the train we are unable to catch the train, then how bad or how ill we feel at that time. In other words, there's no possibility that the train should come back, would come back, and you will climb up the train or catch up the train. So similarly, there is no possibility of returning to that state because when we are born, when we have taken birth in this world, and gradually as we become younger or grows up, it is not possible that we should once again become a child. Mentally we can become, but physically it is impossible. We can behave childishly, no one can stop you if you behaves or thinks yourself a child. But the sincere people uh, would consider you either mad or some other or some would give you some other name. So it is not possible to return back to that state because he has left the train. As the train has left the train, it is not possible that the same train would come back or retreat. Similarly, when we grows up, it is impossible that we should once again become a child. And so we laments, the poet laments that time. Once there was a time that he was the part of that of a heavenly group. The life which he enjoyed in heaven, he remembers, he has a glimpses of that life in his mind, but now it is not impossible. But now it is not possible. The poet also clarifies that only the blessed spirit can see heaven or Jerusalem, which is regarded as a second heaven. Jerusalem is a holy place for Jews and for other people also. So only the blessed spirit, भगवान जिसको अवसर देता है वही वहाँ के दर्शन कर पाता है. That's the thing, that only the blessed spirit can see heaven or the Jerusalem. Jerusalem is a holy place which is considered as the second heaven. So it is impossible. So in this way we see that it is the poet progresses the poems in a very calculative way. It is very difficult to change the path which we have acquired when we grow up. So it is not in our hands to stop that path. The evil has penetrated deep into the soul as we grow up, as the child grows up. The evil goes on deeper and deeper. It penetrates into the soul. The condition of man becomes just like a drunkard. Drunkard, the person who consumes lot of wine and becomes a drunkard, become a habitual drunkard. He staggers, unable to walk, as the drunkard is unable to walk properly, to take the proper steps. Similarly, the man is the man who is absorbed so much in this world, the man who is so much involved in this world, so much, it becomes difficult for him to get out from it. As the drunkard is unable to walk properly, similarly, living a lot of years, similarly spending a lot of time in this world, we are so much involved, so much absorbed in the activities of the world that we are unable to keep oneself away from all these luxuries and other kind of life's activities. In this regard, the poets like to move backward. The poet says that there is no use in moving forward, because in moving forward, in moving ahead, we are, you can say that we are turning our back from the heaven. We have followed, we have adopted a wrong path. We are going away and away from God, from the right place, from the right path. In the normal case, everyone likes to move forward, but unfortunately, the return takes place only after death. So this is also a reality. Once we are born in the world, in this world, there is no retreat. The retreat, the return, you can say, that take place in the form of death. And after death, you are judged. It is a Christian belief that after death, you are judged according to your deeds which you have performed in this world. So, the poet says, and after death, what happens? The dust is gathered in an urn. Urn is a pot to keep the memory. The urn, the ashes of the man are collected, gathered in an urn, just to make a memory. So I think that look at the title, the retreat, which is a you can say that use generally in the army context when it withdraws, when it is defeated, or when he withdraws from the front. So that sense, that meaning is used in the life, in the sense that the poet says that our life in this world is a second race. The first life which we have, we have lived in heaven, and after living 2 or 3 years, when we are in childhood, we are have some connection with the God. But as soon as or gradually, when we grow up, that connection, that wire of divinity cuts, and that you can say that that relationship, that relation is broken, in the sense that we are no more in touch with God. You can say that the evil penetrates, goes deeper and deeper into our soul, and the stage comes, then there is no return possible, and that is possible only after death. But the poet says there is a ray of hope, that only the blessed spirit, the blessed spirit means the good people, the people who are devoted to God's cause, you can say that, who live a very righteous or religious life, those people have some contact with God, and they can see the Jerusalem, which is regarded the second heaven in the world. I hope that you have enjoyed the poem. Go through the text again and again, and the notes which I am sending you on your PDF, on your WhatsApp group, you can make it a copy. Don't make a photo state, but I would recommend you that you should write it down on your notebooks, so that that would give you a writing habit, because in examination you are going to write the exams. Your exams are not conducted orally. You have a written exam, so that is also necessary, that you should make practice of it. I hope that you do it, and follow all the precautions necessary for COVID-19, and also help others to motivate them to follow all the guidelines, all the guidelines given by the government to you. And I hope that very soon the college would reopen, and once again we would have the physical teaching. But by now, you should enjoy, and you should try to cover the course, the syllabus which we have discussed on online method. Thank you.